Xfinity Mobile offers both eSIM and pSIM options for activation. eSIM is embedded in your phone and activated digitally through the Xfinity app by scanning a QR code. This is faster and avoids shipping delays. pSIM is a physical card mailed to you, which you insert into your phone's SIM slot for activation. To activate either SIM, first, ensure your device is compatible by checking Xfinity's website. Then use the Xfinity mobile app or call 1-888-936-4968. The app now includes biometric verification for added security. eSIM activation is increasingly popular, accounting for 65% of new Xfinity mobile lines. Remember, eSIM setup typically takes under 5 minutes, compared to potentially 48 hours for pSIM. Xfinity Mobile operates on Verizon's 5G and LTE networks, providing nationwide coverage across the United States. Usually, network settings configure automatically after SIM activation, so you can start using data right away. If data connectivity issues arise, you might manually adjust the access point name or APN settings. The key settings are apnxfinity.com, MMSC, mms.msg.in.tmobile.com/mms/wait-and-see, and MMS proxy 265.155.880. You can find the APN settings in your phone's mobile data settings menu. If you have problems, try disabling Wi-Fi calling and ensuring roaming is turned off to help with connectivity. If issues persist, contact Xfinity Mobile Support. APN auto-configuration is common, but verifying settings, especially on Android devices, is recommended for optimal performance.